guys, I was just kidding. We already got wild boar for the tacos. I just wanted your thoughts on ground beef or ground pork for the recipe. Well, there you have it. I guess he didn't want to cooperate. Let's get to cooking. Today we're going to use the big green egg, extra large. This one has the integrated nest with handlers, so it's a little bit easier to handle and move because it's such a large egg. It's about 400 pounds, this one. This is the extra large. And we're going to be using Big Green Egg's original charcoal, which is their oak and hickory blend. It's probably one of the more robust smoke flavor charcoals that they make. For the taco recipe, we're going to start with our ground wild boar. That's going to go right into our big cast iron skillet here. Then we're going to throw our seasonings right in. We've got some black pepper, some garlic powder, some oregano, some chili powder, and some cumin, and a pinch of salt. We're going to add a little bit of broth. Our tomato sauce. And just a little splash of our gourmet big green egg seasoning. We're going to throw a half an onion in there. We're going to mix it up. We're going to let it cook nice and slow on our big green egg. Okay, so we're going to get this on our grill. So I'm going to run this grill. We're just looking for a simmer. We want to get a little bit of flavor from the charcoal in it, so we're just looking for a simmer. And to cook, we're looking for that consistency of taco meat when it's all said and done. So nice and slow, and let her go. You can see I can put my hand right on it. It is that insulated. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 hours here. Oh yeah, that's looking right like we want it to look. Okay. Best part about a big grill, you can put a lot of tortillas on it, you know? Man, you just can't beat the taste of charcoal. Now you see all that charcoal down there? See how much we haven't used? So once I'm done with this, I'm going to close this grill down. All that charcoal can be relit the next time we go to cook on this grill. Waste nothing. Alrighty, so we're going to plate it up now, guys. Couple tortillas. Okay. So this is some of our wild boar. You just can't beat it. Boy, that looks good. Okay, so we got a little cilantro. Okay, a little bit of cabbage. And then I'm going to use a little bit of lime juice. Okay. Okay, let's give it a little taste try here, see how it came out. Wow. Absolutely incredible. That is wicked right there. Please like and subscribe for future videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Come on, everybody, dig in.
You ain't got to tell me twice.
No, need to gather.
So looking up.
Check it out.
Ooh, it looks pretty good. Okay.
This is a real taco.
The real wild stuff.
Oh, wow. Wild boar.
Okay.
You want to get him on one?
3. Try
And once again, I messed up.